ABC impacted my life by giving me an opportunity to become something I wasn't. I finally had a challenge in front of me that, actually meant something to me, that I saw was real. Before I got involved with ABC, I was a punk, snot-nosed kid, 18 years old, and had no direction or purpose in my life. Finally got employed with one of our member employers, and they put me through school. I jumped at the opportunity. I thought this was the most awesome thing in the world. I was looking at a career that I could provide for a single family on a single income and basically live that American dream. It was something I fell into, but then once I was here, realized the potential and realized how awesome it was and picked it up and ran with it. ABC is an opportunity, to better yourself. ABC is here to grow. It was the means to get to that finish line. Before that, I said I was just slinging pizza. I was a driver trying not to get tickets on the road. Here, it gave me structure. It taught me a trade. I found other craft professionals who, basically pointed the way and said, this is what we do, this is why we do it, and go this way and everything will be all right. I've recommended ABC repeatedly. Anybody who's ever, said they didn't know what to do for a living or if they were disgruntled with their living, I've recommended it over and over and over again.